Sabi ng isang sikat na American game fall breeders po, na pag ang manok daw is may malalaking palong, mapa P-comb man or straight comb, basta malalaki, mahahaba at makakapal, is nag-i-indicate daw po yun ng quality, healthy, at purity. So kumbaga, ito yung isa sa criteria nila pag pumili sila ng gagawin nilang broodcock or broodstag. Based on experience and observation nila, pag ginamit talaga nila yung mga may malalaking palong, is talagang nagbabato daw ng specific traits ng bloodline na binibreed nila. So may talaga sila, may basihan sila. Though inamin din naman nila na scientifically wala siya proof, no? Kasi it's just a body part daw. Kumbaga sa tao may malalaki at maliliit din, no, na palong. So hindi daw yun basihan, no. Pero ayun nga, experience wise, talagang suggested nila na kung pipili ka is yung malalaking palong, mahahaba at makakapal, either P-comb or straight comb. Yan, classmate, at happy gameful keeping.